welcome back. In a recent project, I mixed up 32 ounces of resin, and I thought I would show you in real time how I did that. This video is about 7 minutes long and unedited. I used Nicpro resin and my Pixiss resin mixer. I will link all items I am using in the description box below. Please let me know if you have any questions and what you think about this video in the comment box below. It is important to understand safety precautions prior to working with resin. Believe it or not, safety is one of the most commonly overlooked steps when working with resin. Here are a few basic safety guidelines. Work in a well-ventilated area. It is crucial to work in an area that has good circulation or open windows. Resin will emit fumes that are toxic, whether you can smell them or not. In this video, I am working in a room that has open windows and a fan circulating the air. Wearing personal protection equipment is a must. Gloves, respirator, safety goggles, and an apron are all necessary tools to protect yourself. Remember, resin is a chemical that we turn into art. All chemicals can be harmful to our bodies when not handled properly. Take the time to protect your body so that you can enjoy creating more of this art. It is also important to clean up any spills immediately. Do not let the resin sit on your table or floor. Use paper towels to scoop up as much as possible, then use denatured alcohol or isopropyl alcohol to clean up any remaining residue. All brands of resin will have important safety instructions on the bottles and on their websites. Take the time to learn about your specific brand of resin that you are using. I am using the brand Nicpro for this video. This resin is a 1-to-1 epoxy resin. This means that you mix 1 part of the hardener bottle with 1 part of the resin bottle. In my situation, I am mixing 16 ounces of each part. As I mix my resin, I am repeatedly scraping the sides and the bottom to ensure that it all gets mixed properly. I love this resin mixer that I am using. It helps save my hands from getting worn out. The directions on the resin bottle say to mix for 4 to 5 minutes. After mixing for 4 minutes, I take a look to see if I have any strings or unmixed areas in my container. If so, I will keep mixing for another couple of minutes. Just be mindful of how long you are mixing and go slow to help avoid unnecessary air bubbles. It is important not to mess this step up or your resin may not cure properly. I also wanted to mention that I am using a wide mouth container to mix all of my resin. This resin needs room to move and blend. If I used a smaller, more narrow container, then the resin will be too contained and can create too much heat during the chemical mixing process. This could accelerate the curing process, and it could flash cure in my mixing container. Once I am done mixing, I will remove as much as possible from my mixing device and use some baby wipes to clean it. I hope this video has helped you understand a little bit more about mixing resin. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you have any tips or tricks that have helped you. Thank you for mixing resin with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!